What's up, guys? Vice
and Mike
and we're reacting to Ha Sungwoon
Bird.
I'll just fly to it.
Chickgu.
Gonna be a bird expert.
Look, like that setup kind of looks like same as G-Song. G-Song's MV that we watched. I like this. Everyone just looks. Dude, I swear one of the backup dancers look like Jungkook. Yeah. Bang Jungkook? I don't know. I feel like I'm freaking out. Like Bang Jungkook from well, they were a group. Oh, never mind, it's not him. I got so freaked, man. From PAP. God, I was like, what? Oh, he won't be a bird so he can fly around the world. Makes sense, yeah. Alright, I see. It's like a up kind of thing.
Strong balloon. A strong cloud. A big chair.
Or he's just like really light.
Some clear water.
He's
clear face.
He's pretty short too, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Utopia. Is he fishing like in the clouds?
Yeah. That's one long string. Say to the parakeet.
Oh, don't be looking at me like that. Ha Sungwoon.
Oh, the bird's gone.
Sorry for my little mix-up earlier. I don't think that was Bang Jungkook.
Oh, now I know.
What?
Now I know who you're talking about.
Yeah, from BFP.
Yeah, I wasn't processing Angela for some reason.
Yeah, one of the backup dancers, like, he kind of looked like him at an angle when they're doing like dancing his side profile. I was just like, what? Yeah, but anyways.
I actually like it.
Yeah, it had like a nice vibe to it, so yeah, nice chill.
I like
just like
the nice floor he does want to fly.
Yeah, just like a nice song to swing in the clouds and
I could never, but
fly in a balloon.
I can always dream.
Box thing.
Well, I like the bird. That was nice. I don't know.
I like the bird like and the map concept where they had like the pictures like of like a stencil of a bird over the maps and stuff, like connecting and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's like you're on a mission and you just know where you want to go. You just gotta fly. Be a bird.
air dances were pretty cool too.
Yeah, yeah,
This thing was like fun and smooth at the same time.
yeah. It's like nice to watch, enjoyable to watch.
Well, yeah, all I gotta say. That was our nice reaction to Ha Sungwoon
Bird.
And if you like this reaction and music video, hit a like. That'd be pretty cool. Subscribe if you're new here, and comment about Ha Sungwoon's first solo album.
But it's cool if you don't want to. We could still be a Chickgus.
Peace out, y'all. Not for 8 years.
I just want to do it once.